हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द चैनल। ग्रीटिंग्स फ्रॉम लेका सर्विसेज। हमारा आज का टॉपिक है हाफ टेक्स्ट पोर्ट्रेट इफेक्ट इन फोटोशॉप। विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। हमारे पास एक मॉडल की इमेज। डायरेक्ट आ जाते हैं हम अपने लेयर पैनल में। फर्स्टली हम डुप्लीकेट करेंगे उस लेयर को। नाउ आई हैव टू रिमूव इट्स बैकग्राउंड। आ जाते हैं हम अपने प्रॉपर्टीज पैनल में एंड जस्ट क्लिक ऑन रिमूव बैकग्राउंड। It will work automatically. Okay, now it's done. I'm just removing another layer. Firstly, we copied a colored from it. I'm just using here and done. And just click on it, double click, and just pick color from the background, and it's done. And we don't need this layer, so just delete it. I'm just locking my background layer. Now start work on model part. I don't need mask, so I'm just convert into smart object and duplicate again. Now I have one code. Just copy there. Okay, I'm just using my text tool to write text. Okay, we don't need text box. I'm just deleting it. I'm just simply click and paste my code. Now I'm going to my character panel in properties and just click on three dots and capitalize my code. Okay, so I'm going good. I'm just press Ctrl T to select it to transform and just scale up according to my requirement. Okay, just I'm just select both layers with help of shift and click in layer panel. I'm just dragging the model from here because and I think so it's done now. You can use font according to your requirement or image. I'm just managing my text according to my requirement. For your reference, adjust my text color white to black. You can see easily. Okay, and I'm just using shortcut Control plus T to transform text again. Okay, it's done now. I'm just simply click enter. I'm starting working on just select my layer 0 copy to my copied layer and move to upward of the text layer. And now just simply right click and create clipping mask, and it's clipped into text but it's not trying. Now I'm just using layer mask on my main model image, and press Ctrl R for using ruler. Firstly, I am just down the opacity of the downward layer, and I'm just clicked on the ruler and using drag my vertical guide. Okay, it's fine now. So I need this part only visible and this part clipped into text. I'm just using my selection tool and select half of the image and just click on layer mask and delete from your keyboard, and it's press Ctrl D to deselect. Now just maximize the opacity to 100% and on this click on the text layer to give some right click and blending options and just click on the drop shadow. You can customize the shadow according to requirement. See guys, it's looking too good. So guys, that's it for the video. Now it's your turn. So comment your dynamic creatives. Thanks for watching. and we will meet next video with new challenges and with new topic.